Hello students, today we can discuss about the topic circles for ICSE Mathematics 10th standard. Circles seem to be a tough chapter for most of the students. So I will give you some tips to study this chapter easily. So you look at triangle AOB, then ACB. Two triangles are there. So now we can look at the properties of the two triangles. When it comes to triangle AOB, AO and BO are same because they are the radius of the circle. You know that radius of the circle OA, OB are same. So that's why this triangle forms an isosceles triangle. So that this base angles will be equal. You know the property of isosceles triangle, that base angles are equal. OAB x and means of this OAB and OBA are equal. So that is one property. Then what is another property? Angle sum property. Angle sum property is that this sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you need to think about these two properties of this triangle. Now we can look at this figure and we can check how to solve this. So this is the figure, and you there is one AB is also there. So, okay, so in this figure what you have to do, there is a rule that the angle subtended at the center by an arc is twice the angle subtended at any of the remaining circumference. So here this angle AOB equals twice angle ACB, that is angle AOB equals 2 into angle ACB. Here angle ACB is 50 degrees, so angle AOB equals 2 into 50 equals 100. So when you got this angle AOB, you can get here x plus y plus z equals 180, that is the angle sum property. Similarly, when it comes to this triangle, we already told that the base angles are equals of the isosceles triangle. So this angle got as 100 plus x plus x. This is 100 x plus x. So 100 plus x plus x equals 180. You know that. Once again, angle OAB plus ABO plus AOB. Okay, so you can say that 100 plus 2x equals 180. From solving that equation, you will get 2x equals 80. So x equals 40. So that is the value we need to find out. X equals 40.